Capital One is no stranger to bringing in new technology for its banking customers, but this year it's pushing even further into digital assistants and also augmented reality. Capital One has already launched its virtual assistant, and that's a mobile product that you can send text messages to, and it'll send you replies back with your balance, and you can even pay off your credit cards with that. This year, though, it's getting even smarter, and it's moving into the web browser. Specifically, it'll be able to create virtual credit cards that you can use for any retailer online. That's useful because there are places you may want to shop where you don't know how secure they actually are, and you probably don't want to use your actual credit card number. So with the browser plugin, it'll automatically create a virtual card when you're at the checkout page of any retailer. And from the control panel, you can actually control those cards, you can pause them, you can delete them entirely. So if anything happens and there's a security breach, say at Target or something, you'll be able to just kill that card entirely. So yeah, it's sort of a stopgap measure for a broader problem facing the banking industry, but it seems like a genuinely useful one, something I definitely want to use. And it could be even useful for kids, like giving your child a credit card number for their Steam account or something like that. And it could even be something that you use if you're just lazy and on the couch and you don't want to go and find your wallet. You could just open up your browser, use a virtual card, and just complete a purchase pretty easily. For now, this is limited to Capital One's credit cards, but the company says it'll eventually move over to its debit cards, and it's not putting any limits on these virtual card numbers. One customer apparently made 2,500 in a single day during their testing phase, but that could change down the line. And the company is also upgrading its Auto Navigator product by adding in augmented reality. With one of the company's iPhone apps, you'll just be able to take your phone, hover it over a car at a dealer lot, or even just on the street, and it'll automatically pop up the year, the model number, the make of the car right above it, along with the price that you'd pay personalized to you. So the way the app works is that you pre-qualify for a loan by plugging in all of your information, and then Capital One uses that to create a customized number that you'll see whenever you go to check out any of these cars. It seems pretty useful, but you can also use the same technology to upload a picture to their website and get the same sort of details from the cars. That's a solution you're going to use if you're on an Android phone, because right now the AR capability is only tied to iPhone. And based on a brief demo that we saw, it seems to work pretty accurately. I'm not sure how many people will jump on this, but it kind of paves the way for Capital One to explore more options down the line to make buying a car easier. That includes maybe something like virtual test drives in a couple of years. This is kind of just a starting point to get there, but at the very least, it's something that's going to make buying a car a lot easier. So altogether, these technologies aren't really groundbreaking, but they seem genuinely useful. And virtual credit cards in particular are something I think a lot of customers will want to use, especially as we hear more and more news about security breaches and other issues affecting online retailers. It's kind of just a safe thing to have.